Test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this was 1,000 times easier, and you won't see it, so you know, if you don't want to see this matting. This rattled a little, which I didn't really like that much. Alright, it's just a quick unofficial test drive for sound. I'm going to work on my sound deadening. I'm in low gear right now, so about 20 in low gear. 1, 2, 3, check. 20, 1, 2, 3, check. Oh, this power steering, I want to put this sucker on full blast. Now we'll go high range. Alright, I don't know when you fell off, so let me redo my sound testing. I'm in high gear right now. Get up to 30. Look at the mud splashing. Alright, 30. Check. 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm going to start working on sound deadening. This rattled a little, which I didn't really like that much. So I put a little piece of duct tape, Gorilla Tape in there, and it seemed to cure that. They told me there's just a little tiny bit of play in that handle. Now you could like take it apart and put a nylon washer in there. That's basically what I did with the duct tape. But for now, that's what's gonna be, just a little duct tape in this part, and then there's also a duct tape in where the latch goes on too. So 2 little pieces of Gorilla Tape. All right, let's go check it out. All right, here's my first floor mat cutout of this heavy gym rubber stuff. All right, my back will never hold up with me being down there razor blade trying to cut it. So let me show you how I'm cheating it. Don't try this at home. All right, there's one cutout. This is where I'm gonna probably call it for today. We got hunters coming, and just getting the first layer of Siless on was hard enough. Got a little bit of oil from the chainsaw, I'll wipe that off, but not a huge deal for the savings you get on your back. All right, now we're gonna see how I did here. Here's the first layer of Siless. I put a double layer on that middle hump. Okay. I did halfway decent here. Oh, there we go. Got one floor mat. I'm not putting a floor mat on the middle hump. I cut holes for the little cutouts if you need to pull this off. I forgot to do it on this one. I'll do it on that one, but they're basically just floor mats. There's nothing really under it that you can work on. So my plan is to finish that half. I got to get this whole I don't know what you call this, basically barrier wall along the engine with Siless, and one of these on each side, and then we'll check back in. All right, I'm trying to get smarter as I go, so I went ahead and just pulled the passenger side rear floor mat. I'm not gonna put these plugs in because it lays really nice and flat. But I'll put the Siless on this. Is gonna make it a lot easier than fighting in the back seat down there. All right, just for a new experiment, I flipped it over. I had contemplated doing it like this from the get-go. I don't know which is better, to be honest, but I'll try this one, sticking the Siless on the bottom, then flip it over, and then just a rubber mat on top. Horse a piece. I can't really think of pros and cons. I mean, with it on the bottom, at least you could pull this back out again, but you could with it on the top too. You could still pull the mat out either way. But this one I'm going to stick to the bottom, flip it upside down, and try that. Okay, this was 1,000 times easier. than the other way. I mean 1,000 times. And you won't see it, so you know, if you don't want to see this matting, this is what I'd recommend. But on mine, I mean, the only thing you're going to see on mine is the middle hump, really, because I got the floor mats going over the top of them. All right, this is where I'm done today, done crawling around back in here. Both of them now have the rubber mat. Siless, this has a double layer in the middle. Yeah, there's a little strip there I could get. Covered most of that firewall, most of this one, and that's all I care to do for now. So I'll test it and see. Now, last time in the Polaris, I did the fronts too. But I'm going to try not doing it simply because the noise is engine noise. The Polaris, I also stuck some under these seats, which that's still more option, and I can double this up because this Siless looks like it's barely 1/4 inch thick. So we'll see if it makes any difference, and then I'll come back maybe a different day and see. Alright, unscientifically try this. I didn't put on as much as I normally would. Alright, let me interject here quick. So I did go back and put another layer on. So this is like midstream. So if you want to hear the total before and after, this next segment in the video will be after I put a double layer on. But just for the people that are really interested, I'm going to compare the sound here with just one layer, that skinny 1/4 inch, and then we'll finish it out with another layer going on. Alright, now we're in low gear. Got to get up to 20. Check, check, 1, 2, 3, 20. Low gear, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, check, check. 20, 1, 2, 3, check, check. Check, check, 1, 2, 3, 20. Low gear, 1, 2, 3. Same camera, same location, same everything. High gear, we gotta get 30, 31. High gear, this seat's a lot quieter off the bat. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. High gear, 30. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Alright, well, won't know until I get to the computer and we can put them side by side and you guys can tell me. Let's check this power steering out. I got it on full blast. Look at that, one finger. Okay, I added a second layer to that whole box firewall, and I added some patchy pieces, you know, 6, 8, 10 up on top of it. So I'll try a third test here. Alright, just for a side note, I thought, man, it just seemed a little bit louder than I thought it should after 2 layers. Well, I'm going to redo it. I found out that if you don't slam these doors, they don't seal up tight. It's got 2 latch points. So I'm going to go, I'll make sure all 4 doors are slammed and they're sealed up tight, and now we're going to finish up our before and after. Alright, do over. I don't think I had all the doors closed. You got to slam them. They got 2 latch points. So let's try it again after doubling the bottom. Try one more time. Low gear. Check, check. 1, 2, 3. Test, test. 1, 2, 3, check, check. Test, test, 1, 2, 3. Test, test. 1, 2, 3, low gear. High gear. Test, test, 1, 2, 3, check, check. 30. check, check, 1, 2, 3. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. High gear. Test, 1, 2, 3. Alright, now that's a wrap. I mean, I feel like it does seem quieter with, you know, even if I had just one of these 4 doors not fully latched, it doesn't quite rattle, but I mean, it doesn't seal tight. So you got to really close them to seal them up tight. I mean, I like that. You just got to pay attention. It's kind of like the, you know, the machine. You got to really close them tight. All right. Rock and roll, baby. Have a great weekend. It's almost May. Might have one more hunter today yet. I don't know. It depends. He's hunting in another spot. So Sharon's got the power washer out. Woo! Cleaning the buggies up.